Hi, I am here for KodiLearn. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can convert this boring WordPress login page or register page into something like this. As you can see, this looks very cool. So we are going to convert this boring register and login page to the cool login page that we can customize in many ways. Many options are here. So we're going to fully customize this. So for that you just need one free plugin. So we are not going to use any paid plugin for that. So it is absolutely free. So let's make this cool and more customizable. Just let me go here. Just click on add new. You need to download and install one plugin. Here just search here loginpress. You will get one plugin in the starting. Just click on this install now button, and after that it will start to install. As you can see, it is downloaded over 100k times and its rating is also very good. And let's wait for some time. So as you can see, it is now installed. Let me activate it. So after that you'll find one option here, loginpress. Just click on it, and here are lots of options like here in the settings, and here you can choose the session expire if you want, and auto remember me, and lots of options are here also. And here are lots of options that you can check, and it also has its pro version. So if you like this version, then you can obviously try the pro version. Like if you want to have the social login like Facebook or Google, then you need to upgrade to pro version. And here is called the customizer. So let's customize this boring login form or register form in WordPress. So it will redirect you to this customizer WordPress. As you can see, login or register page is completely changed. So let me show you what are the other options. So here is the themes option. So this is the default theme. So here are lots of other themes also. Sorry, but you need to pay for all these other themes, but you can obviously use this theme and customize lots of things. And if you like this, then you can obviously buy it. And here is the option called logo. So here, as you can see, it always shows this logo. You can choose your own logo, or you can also disable the logo if you want. So let me choose any. I do not have any logo right now. Let me choose image. As you can see, you can put your logo here. So I do not have my own logo, so it is not here. Okay. And you can change the logo width if you want, and logo height, and lots of options. So let me you can make it more like this and change the width if you want. And here is the space button also. You can change the space button if you want. And here is the logo URL. Means whenever someone clicks on this logo, then where to redirect, I can just type here. And here is the logo title. So I can just type. So probably it will not show the effect in my website, but when you hover over this, here as you can see, this is the title. And when I delete this, you can see no any change. So I'll remain it the same. And let me go here, and here is the background. You can choose the other background that are given here, like this, and lots of backgrounds are already available here that you can choose. Let me choose this. You can choose your custom background image if you want, like you can upload the files and choose image if you want, like this. So I'm not going to choose this image. For that I'm going to use this image. And here is the background repeat. If you want, you can repeat. If you know CSS, then you may know about this repeat, what does it mean. And here is the select position. You can customize lots of things like right top, and keep it to default center. And here the background image size like auto cover, and I'm going to make it the cover. And here the enable background video. If you want to choose the background video, then you can obviously choose your background video. It is very good right now. It has great feature, and you can also choose the background color if you want. And here the customized login form. So you can also turn on the transparency if you want, but I'm not going to do that because it looks not too good. And here is the form width, and you can choose your width if you want, like this, and minimum height like this, and form radius. You can make it sharp or like this, and you can also add the shadow effect. So that is very good. And here is the opacity. You can change the opacity like this. Okay, now it is showing the shadow properly, and you can choose whatever you like. And here is the form padding. So if you know CSS, then you'll know this padding also. So padding means the distance between the margin and the content. And here the border. If you want to have the border, then you can just type here like this, 2 pixel solid black. So obviously it is not looking good. Like you can also type dotted or dashed. So if you know CSS, then you will know what I am meaning here. You can obviously visit the W3 school site, and here is the input field background color. You can choose the background color of input field if you want, like this. And here is the input field text color also. So I'm going to make it black. And here is the width of the input field also. You can choose whatever you want. And here is the margin. And see, this is top, right, bottom, left. So this is clockwise. You can change the margin if you want. Like if I want to have the bottom to be a little bit big, then I can just type 30. Then it will generate the distance between the form. And here the input field labels. So here, as you can see, this is the label, and I can choose whatever I like. I'm going to just choose black for now. And here is the remember me label color. Here, as you can see, this is that. You can change it if you want. There are lots of other features also, like customize forget form. If you want to customize the forget form, like here is the lost your password, this is the form, and you can choose the forget from background image and forget from background color from here. I'm going to just go to back here. Here is also the reCAPTCHA if you want to have the reCAPTCHA, but you need to pay for that. And here the button beauty. So you can change this button color if you do not like. I personally do not like it. I can just choose whatever I like. And after choosing, you can choose the border color if you want, like this. And here is the button color on hover. So as you can see, when I hover it, it is still showing the blue. You can change it if you want, like this. And here's the button border on hover. You can choose the button border color to change if you want on hover, like this. Border is changing right now. And here is the button box shadow. So you can put the shadow effect if you want. And here is the button text color. You can choose the color that you like. I'm going to leave it to the white. And here is the button text color on hover. You can change it if you want. I do not need to change it. And here's the button size. You can change the size, top padding and bottom padding. So you can make it the default just by clicking here. So I think I should make it a little bit bigger because there is the distance and there is the distance a little bit small. Just let me make it like in this way. You can change if you want. I think it's a little bit big right now. Okay, let's leave it as default. And you can change the shadow opacity, and you can change you can also choose how much shadow you want. And let me change a little bit opacity and shadow to right now. And here are other also like error messages, so you can change it if you want. Like here are other options also, and for that you need to know the HTML and CSS. As you can see here, the strong tag is just like a bold if you do not know. And here is the welcome message. So you can also put the welcome message on lost password, and here is the welcome and lots of other options that you can change. And here's the form footer. So here is the lost password text. You can change this text to something like this. And here the decoration, like overline, line through or underline if you want. So I'm going to make it none. And footer text color, you can put whatever you want, and on hover also whatever you want, like this. And you can change the font size if you want, like this, a little bit big. So, and with the footer background color if you want, like this. and here the email, you can change this if you want, and here is lots of other options that you can put. And this is the copyright note also. You can also put the copyright note here, and I'm going to make it, just go to back, and here the Google font. So this is also premium feature, and here the custom CSS and JS. So if you know the custom CSS and JS, then you can just change it if you want. So let me publish here. I know it is not looking that much good, but you can do lots of customization here. So let me refresh for now. So as you can see, it is now fully completely changed to whatever we wanted. So you can obviously change whatever you want and as you like. So in next video I'm going to tell you how you can create your own register and login form. So we are also going to create a fully complete and more beautiful and more robust form. If you are new in our channel, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And if you want to get more tips and tricks related to WordPress, then please subscribe, like and